Alright guys, welcome back. We're back at it again with another video. In today's episode we will be cleaning the MR2. We got it a few weeks ago and it's been sitting here. So yeah, let's get to the cleaning phase. We're gonna go ahead and do a time lapse and go from there. But yeah, this is the $500 MR2. Anyways, let's get to work. Dali. Looking pretty decent, I'd say. Pretty decent. Just needs a good paint job and whatnot. But yeah guys, we're gonna go ahead and remove this decal, install this, see what we have on there, and go from there. Actually have it right here. I don't know if it's broken, but we'll see right now. Real quick. Shout out to Teddy for this window. Go ahead and remove it. Guys, this is removed. It's looking much better now. Now we're gonna go ahead and work on the interior, clean it up. We got a whole bunch of spider webs over here, and then over here, yeah, gotta remove all this stuff. You actually could tell the interior is in good shape just by the vents. If the vents are in good shape for a almost 30-year-old car, then you for sure know you got a solid MR2. But yeah guys, let's go ahead and remove all this stuff and clean the interior. Yep, let's get to it. This is the finished product, all washed and everything's good to go. It's not as detailed as I would like, but just so you can have an idea of how the shell's looking. I did find a few things here and there. For example here, the interior is in top shape. Top shape, guys. So everything's perfect. I do like the shifter knob. Again, these are all the parts that were in the car, and I'm currently washing the bay right now. welcome back. Car is clean, shell is good, and man, just cleaning this car got me thinking, should we scratch the 2GR on the AW11, use that motor for the SW20? I think it's going to be much cheaper. Reason being is because the mounts are cheaper, the wiring is cheaper, and I don't have to do the manual swap. So should we just scratch that off and do the 2GR on the SW20? I don't know. Comment below what you guys think. Should we do SW20 or AW11 when it comes to the 2GR? Again, that's for the summer. Summer's almost here. I'm glad I never ordered the mounts for the AW11 because I knew from the very get-go this was going to be a predicament that I was going to be in, just because I love buying SW20s. But yeah, guys, that's what we got. I'm not sure. This car is missing a few panels here and there. As you can see right here, those panels are right there. I went ahead and I installed the speaker cover and also some parts in the rear of the trunk and whatnot. But that's what we got. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, let's have some fun because it's Grandpa's birthday.
To you, happy birthday, Papa. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, this is gonna take so long.
Años feliz.
He has no emotions.
Viejo, diga algo.
When have we ever had
¿Qué voy a decir?
feliz
Dale la gracia a Dios. Dale la gracia a Dios.
Gracias a Dios que estamos juntos todos.
Mira, tiene
Que el
uno,
Señor
tres,
nos
aguanta
mantenga
93,
con salud.
93.
Que le dio 93 años. Eso es lo que tenían que decir. Diga, Dios me dio 93 años.
Dios y el Espíritu Santo nos dio 23
No,
años.
Hashem, 93 años.
23 años.
23.
93 años.
23.
93.
¿Cuál es tu deseo?
Diga,
Gracias a Dios que el Señor me dio 23 años.
no 93 años.
No 23 años.
93. No 93 años. Eso es lo que tienen que decir.
23 años. Gracias.
Mamá, mira. Mamá.